Hello again, and a warm welcome to Screencasts Online. I'm Darcy, and today we're investigating Siri commands. Siri has been around for some time now, first making an appearance in October 2011 with iOS 5. Since then, the personal assistant has made its way to macOS and watchOS. There's a variety of different commands we can use with Siri, so let's explore. The best first place to start with Siri is by visiting the Apple website. The Siri page, which is linked below, presents a lot of different use cases, such as returning text messages and setting reminders, timers, and converting basic measurements. I've mostly been learning what Siri can do over the years by trying things here and there or hearing about what she can do from other people. But I only recently learned that at the bottom of this page, there are lists and lists of commands that you can try out. So let's try a few. We're all familiar with Siri's ability to call or text contacts when we ask. There are a few other lesser known commands we can try though. One is I can say, "Hey Siri, call my wife." If Siri doesn't know who your wife, husband, brother, sister, etc. are, which is set in their contact information, she will ask who it is. I'll use me as an example. Now my contact card is set as my wife, which can be called if asked. Siri can read previous messages from people. Hey Siri, read my last message from Charlie.
You have recent messages from Charlie. Charlie said ensure. Beer scene in London is much improved since I left.
And Siri can play your voicemails too. Hey Siri, play my most recent voicemail.
Here's your most recent voicemail from Mari, left on the 12th of December, 2022 at 6:01 p.m.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.